Swimming pool safety issues. What's required, what's not, what's available, and what you need to know to differentiate yourself in less than 3.5 minutes. Coming up next. Hi, welcome to In and Outs, where we bring you, the real estate professional, very short videos on nuggets of information that you're not normally trained on, but could be critical during negotiation and inspection time, and make you look like an informed rock star. Informative and short, in order to get you in and out. When it comes to safety around existing swimming pools, requirement dates, they kind of become almost irrelevant. Smart home inspectors will likely point out some things as safety issues and sometimes even safety upgrades. So let's look at a few of the big ones. The main drain. Older models can be entrapment hazards, so a safety upgrade should always be recommended. The older ones were typically flat and they had a full face suction. Newer ones they're called anti-vortex or anti-entrapment hazards, and they're typically concave, and they pull in water from the perimeter only, making it a lot more difficult for a child to fully and successfully cover the entire drain and become stuck. Many of these can be purchased for like 20 bucks. It's a piece of plastic and a couple screws, so it's a very simple and cheap safety upgrade. 2, screen doors. Screen doors should always open away from the pool and have a handle height no less than 54 inches from the ground. Okay, it's really rare that we find an in-swinging screen door on screen cages, but very common to find non-functioning self-closing, self-latching doors. Okay, closers are going to run you anywhere from 15 to 30 bucks, for the parts, and homeowners can install them by themselves. Damaged latching hardware is also really cheap and doesn't even require a high school diploma to figure it out and replace it or install brand new. All other accessories, metal accessories that is, from the house to the pool, including things like windows and doors and gutters, should have an alarm or some other kind of physical barrier system installed between them and the pool, inhibiting access to that pool. 3, pool lights. Pool lights should have functioning GFCI protection if a step-down transformer is not installed. We all know how common bad GFCIs are, right? We see that every day. Pool pumps should also have the same kind of protection, and since the 2014 electrical code, it's been required to have pool pumps protected by GFCI. The last thing I'd like to mention is bonding. The purpose of bonding is to link all metal components of the pool system and nearby metal components like windows and doors and gutters and those kind of things, thereby eliminating voltage gradient. I know it sounds a little confusing, but you've probably noticed those green insulated copper wires. They're visible on the screen cages and sometimes at the pool pump. Those are bonding wires. They connect, or at least supposed to connect, all metal components. See, without that system properly installed, electric shock or even worse is possible. On a routine home inspection, the visible connections are inspected for their presence only. Okay, in order to prove that the bonding system is not only present but complete on all these metal components is to actually test them with an electrical measurement device. Okay, it's an advanced technique, but the bonding testing and electric shock drowning for stray voltage can usually be completed right there on the home inspection for anywhere from 50 to 150 bucks. So just a thought, what if you, the rockstar real estate agent, created a branded piece, a branded flyer that can be, that mentions these things, it can be distributed to your clientele? Would that be like a cool marketing piece no other agent produces? I don't know. Call me and we'll work on it together. Hey, if you like these videos, click the like button. We appreciate it. If you've got some specific content that you'd like to see, contact us. We'll do our best to get it in, because the more you know, the more you're worth.